Although Hyundai i30 FASTBAck N is similarly designed as hothatch i30 N, the light harness is deeply embedded in the rear body. These solutions make the replacement a bit advanced since it may require a plastic chisel that prevents scratching of the paint. But on the other hand, you are gaining enough leverage for your hands in order to make the pulling out of the lights very simple, and the overall act is very easy but very important. This type of light also includes two pins that together with Phillips screws hold the light firmly anchored, but a shape and shortened cable doesn't give you much of an operating space. As you have seen, I gained the access to the bolt by turning the cover to the right side so that it can be replaced with a new one directly into the socket. You just push it inside to the left side and exchanging for a new one with alloy housing. Don't forget also to arrange your cable management and push the clips inside. Like this. This access is a little bit tricky, so you have to be really careful and push the socket to the left side in order to gain the access to the bulb, and it's right there. So just like that you can replace it with the new LED. Again, inside. Yeah, it takes some time because you have to be careful.
Čierne, tie vieš, to dobré. Sobotu som umýval, jak bolo slnko, mal som ho polátané. Dlho som si na tú farbu kúkal a sa mi začala zdať, že nie je modrá.